so glad we don't have any school today. Yeah, me too. Oh, can I have a turn flying your kite? I don't know, like, you might lose that and it's my favorite kite. It's not like I have greasy hands or something. Like, you can trust me. Okay, fine. Oopsie. Did you just lose my kite with your greasy hands? It's not that big of a deal. I mean, like, I'll use my alpha powers to get it back for you. I'd like to see you try. Girl. Aren't we a bit too old for this kind of math? Oh, I think I got text from someone. I'll just quickly check. I mean, like, there's a girl over there sleeping. Molly Toca, are you using a cellular device? It's just this math is very... You know what? I've had enough of this nonsense. Give me that. This is all your fault. How is it my fault? It's you who did this. You owe me. I did not. Yes, you do. Okay, what is going on out here? You two have been, like, yapping for a whole hour. Hazel says I owe her a new kite. Well, Lily did lose mine. Okay, it's seriously not that big of a deal. Like, we'll just buy you girls a new kite. Oh, I just got a text from your dad. He's gonna be home in like 5 minutes. Oh no, I completely forgot to pick up Molly. I'm still mad at you, just to let you know. Okay, where is everyone? I'm not having a good day. Oh no, there's that weird mascot kid. I really hope he doesn't see me. Hi, would you like a baguette to support our school? No, thank you. You owe me a whole month's worth of candy. Oh, I think it's raining. Oh yeah. I think I'm gonna go inside. Yeah, me too. We'll continue this inside. I don't know where my backpack is. This is just like the time I fell in the lake. I'm so sorry, Molly. Oh, where's your backpack and why are you crying? I genuinely don't know. Okay, open the door. I can't. It's really not that hard to open the door. No, I think it's locked. Why would it be locked? I don't know. Where is everybody? We wet. Oh, I think I found them. This is all your fault. No, it's your fault. How is it my fault? You owe me that. What is going on out here? Hey, we're safe. I don't get it. Do you guys like want some tea or something? here's some tea. Thank you. But my hair is still so wet. Yeah, it is. So right now I'll just be making some ramen for dinner once I get this bag open. Ouch, I got a paper cut.
Why you have him always ruin everything? No, this is your fault. You stole me a candy. I did not.
Are you two seriously still arguing about that kite? Hey guys, I'm here. I just had to brush my hair out. It was a mess. Oh, wow, dinner looks good. This is all your fault. No, it's yours. Okay, that's it. You two have been arguing all day, and I'm absolutely tired of hearing you two just yapping about some kite. You guys don't deserve dinner, and I know someone who will appreciate it more than you two are right now.
Wait, Mommy, we changed our mind.
Molly, Toca, are you using a cellular device?